What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jaguar XKR remote key fob. This Jaguar XKR key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I want to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now what I'm going to do is pull the silver pieces off the side, and you can probably just do this with your hands. If not, you can go ahead and use that small flathead screwdriver. What I'm going to do is just kind of get my finger on here like this. Pop these off. Once we get those silver pieces off, I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver and use it to open this case. But before we pop this open, one thing I want to point out is on this button here, this is the button that we pressed to remove the emergency key. That button compresses a little spring down here. And just be aware of that, because as we open that, it's easy for that to pop out. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to come down here to the corner of the case. I'm going to pick the corner down here by the spring and get right on the corner in this crack. Get your screwdriver in there. And then go ahead and open the case up. Once we get the case apart, in the back half of the case we see our battery right here. And this battery holder has a little bit of a cutout that will allow you to get your screwdriver under the battery and get it out of that holder. Then we'll grab the new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing the new battery with the plus side down in that holder like that. And then we can put the two halves back together. Make sure those are all the way snapped together, and then we'll put the silver pieces back on the side. And you can see that there's a little bit of a cutout in the silver piece. That cutout is going to go on the bottom, the end where the emergency key slides in. We'll put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.